Planning the trip.
I really want to travel. I want to see a new place.
Me too. Traveling is fun. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Dubai. The city looks beautiful.
Yes. Dubai has big buildings. And the beach. And many fun places.
Do you want to come with me?
Of course. I would love to go with you.
Great, let's plan our trip.
When do you want to go?
Next month. We have enough time to prepare.
Yes. I will save money. I want to enjoy a lot. Packing bags. Hi, Robbie. Are you ready?
Almost. I am packing now. What about you?
I am packing too. I have many things.
Don't take too much. Only important things.
I know, but everything feels important.
Ha ha ha. Just take what you need.
Okay. I will try.
Don't forget your passport.
Oh yes. Thank you. The passport is very important.
And ticket too.
Yes. I have everything. I am excited. At the airport. Wow. The airport is so big.
Yes. There are many people traveling.
Where do we go first?
First, we go to the check-in counter.
Good morning. Can I see your passport?
Yes, here you go.
Where are you flying today?
We are flying to Dubai.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, one bag each.
Great. Please put your bags on the scale. Everything is okay. Here are your boarding passes. Your gate number is B10. Have a nice trip.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, have a great day.
Hello. Please put your bags in the tray.
Okay.
Do you have any metal? Phone, coins, belt?
Yes. Here they are.
Thank you. Now walk through the gate.
Great.
Oh, I forgot my keys in my pocket.
Please remove them and try again. All good. Have a nice flight. Passports and boarding passes, please.
Here you are.
Why are you traveling?
Vacation. We want to enjoy and explore.
How many days?
5 days.
Okay. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Waiting for boarding. Traveling is a little scary.
Yes, but also very fun.
Look. Airplanes outside the window. They are so big.
Yes, we will fly soon.
Flight to Dubai is now ready for boarding. Please get your passports and boarding passes.
Okay, Emma, Let's go.
Yes. Dubai, here we come. Inside the airplane. The seats are comfortable.
Yes. And look, I have a window seat.
I feel nervous.
Hold my hand if you want.
We are flying. I am happy.
Yes, first time flying is amazing.
Would you like something to drink?
Orange juice, please.
Apple juice, please.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Look at the clouds. They look like soft pillows.
Yes, beautiful view.
Arriving in Dubai.
Hello. Where do you want to go?
We want to go to Palm Hotel.
Okay, get in. Welcome to Dubai.
Thank you.
Hotel check-in.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Palm Hotel. How may I help you?
We have a room booking, under the name Robbie.
Yes. A double room for 5 nights.
Yes, that is correct.
Please give me your passports.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here are your room keys. Enjoy your stay.
Wow. The hotel is beautiful.
Yes, the bed looks soft, and there is a pool outside.
First day city tour.
Good morning. I am your guide for today. We will see the Burj Khalifa, the beach, and the mall.
Great. I am excited.
Let's go.
This building is so tall. I cannot believe my eyes.
Yes, it is the tallest building in the world.
You can take many photos here.
Thank you.
The water is so blue.
I love the fresh air.
Hello. Do you want to buy something?
Yes. How much is this bag?
It is 50 dirhams.
Okay. I like it. I will buy.
I want a cap. How much is this?
25 dirhams.
Good. I will buy it too.
Evening walk. Dubai is so beautiful at night.
Yes, many lights everywhere.
Traveling makes me happy.
Me too. I want to travel more in life.
Back in the hotel room. I am tired, but the day was amazing.
Yes. Now we sleep and get ready for tomorrow.